Good day. We are the Sunrays and we are here to present public water treatment and distribution. In public water treatment and distribution, there are stages. So, the first one is collection, second is screening and straining, third is coagulation or flocculation, fourth is sedimentation and clarification, fifth is filtration, sixth is disinfection, seventh is storage, and lastly, number 8, distribution. Doon muna tayo sa may collection. Ano nga ba ang collection? Ito yung pag-gather ng water sa mga sources. And there are two sources. So, ang unang sources is surface water and yung pangalawa is groundwater. Sa may surface water, ang example na to is yung ocean, river, and lake. Dito, gagawa sila ng dam para makagawa ng reservoir. Sa may groundwater naman, dito na papasok yung mga well and yung mga pump. Yung groundwater yung primary source ng drinkable water kasi dumaan na to ng natural filtration. Pag nakapili ka na ng sources mo, kailangan mo nang magdadala ng water sa iyong treatment facility. And ito yung mga pipelines. Dito dadaan yung water mo para mapunta doon sa facility. If ang naisip mo ng sources is yung surface water, kailangan mo din isipin yung mga debris na lumulutang dito. Lalong-lalo na yung mga malalaki katulad ng log and mga trash. So, if naisip mo na yon, kailangan mo gumamit ng bar screens. Ang bar screens, ito yung magko-collect ng mga large debris. So, ang parts ng bar screen is itong pinaka-filter niya at itong letter B, yung sa pipe, halos dito bumabagsak yung mga nakakollect niyang garbage or logs. Next is?
So, our next stage is for public water treatment and distribution is coagulation or flocculation. The coagulation process involves adding iron and aluminum salts such as aluminum sulfate, ferric, chloride, or polymers. So, in this process, mag-a-add tayo ng mga ganyan like iron or aluminum sa raw water. When mixed with the water, this causes the tiny particles of dirt present to stick together or coagulate. So pag nag-add na ng mga iron, ganon, pag mix sila sa water, dahil lang para yung mga tiny particles or dirt, magdikit-dikit. Yun yung tinatawag na coagulate. Yung flocculation naman is, pag yung dirt particles join to form larger, heavier particles, ito naman yung tinatawag na flux. Pag nagsama-sama na talaga sila. Ito yung halimbawa niya. Meron tayong mga particles sa water. Pag nag-add ng mga iron or aluminum ng coagulate, mag-stick together, that's coagulant. And yung mga particles na nag-stick together, magsasama-sama tapos magiging flux na sila. Next stage is sedimentation and clarification. As the water and the flux particles progress through the treatment process, they move into sedimentation patterns. So yung water at yung flux particles, kapag na-coagulate na or na-flocculation, move na sila sa sedimentation tank. Dito, the water moves slowly, causing the heavy flux particle to settle to the bottom. So yung mga flux mapupunta siya sa ilalim. Tapos yung flux na nasa ilalim ay tinatawag na sludge and is spiked to drying lagoon. In direct filtration, the sedimentation step is not included and the flux is removed by filtration only. So yung sedimentation step is not included daw. Sa filtration lang tayo mag-remove ng flux. Ayun, ito yung sludge. Mapupunta sa ilalim, tapos yung water sa ibabaw naman. Next step for public water treatment and distribution is filtration. So ito na filtration. Filtration is clarified water enter the filters from the top. So yung tubig na clarified na ay mapupunta sa itaas. Gravity pulls the water down through the filters where it is collected in a drain system at the bottom of the unit. So, yung tubig na yon mapupunta sa bottom, sa drain system. There are many different types of materials or media used in filter. So, sa filtration, gumagamit tayo ng iba't ibang uri ng media. So, the most common being is sand and gravel, buhangin at bato. Many conventional plants are now using granular activated carbon as the media of choice because it's not only provide excellent mechanical filtration of particular matter, but also removes organic compounds which can cause taste and odor problem. So yung sand and gravel is one of the most conventional plants though, because ayun na, excellent and also remove taste and odor problems. So ito yung sample ng sand and gravel sa filtration. So yung tubig mapupunta sa drain system. Tapos doon nilalabas yung malinis na tubig. Next stage is disinfection. So disinfection, once the water has gone through the filtration process, so tapos na tayo sa filtration process, naalis na natin yung mga dirt, ganun. Next na tayo sa disinfection. Dito, ang ginagawa is about as clear and clean as it can get. However, there may still be bacteria and viruses remaining. To ensure these are destroyed, there must be a disinfection process employed. So, hindi porket wala na mga dirt yung water, malinis na siya. Pero, hindi pa pala ganun kalinis dahil meron pa silang remaining bacteria and viruses. The most common disinfection process used is chlorination. Chlorine comes in many different forms, including chlorine gas is the most common, chlorine dioxide, hypochlorite, or bleach, and others. So dito mag-a-add rin tayo ng mga chlorine to destroy the virus and bacteria. Chlorine is added to the water in an amount to ensure all microorganisms are destroyed. Water plants monitor the chlorine levels continuously and very carefully in the treated water. So yung chlorine dapat ay minomonitor. Hindi pwedeng sumobra dahil pag sumobra, alam niyo naman, mapapasama. They must add enough chlorine to ensure true disinfection of the water. So hindi rin dapat kulang, dapat sakto lang talaga. But avoiding adding excesses that can cause taste and odor problem when delivered to the consumer. So, yan, kailangan talaga i-monitor na maayos yung pag-a-add ng chlorine o pag-disinfection.
Disinfection. Ito sa disinfection, makikita natin, dito nagmula yung tubig, water source. Tapos, dumaan siya dito sa mga part na stages. At dito sa disinfection nito, ito, may itong ginagamit na disinfection nito is chlorine. Dito nililinis din yung tubig para pagdating sa mga customer, malinis yung tubig. Storage. Once the disinfection process is complete, the water is stored. Storage usually take place in an underground storage tanks that are visible around town. There must always be an ample supply of water available in the event of emergencies. These can include power outage, fire, floods, etc. Itong mga storage nito, dito ini-store yung mga tubig na kung sakali mang magkakapos yung supply ng tubig, gaya na kapag merong nagkaroon ng power outage or fire, floods, pwede magamit yung in-stored na tubig dito. Para tong malaking tangke na makikita rin sa, meron na ito sa Pantabangan. Yan. Yan yung picture niya, napakalaki niya. Ito, ini-store yung water. Yan. Distribution. So how does the water come out of your kitchen tap? The stored water is pushed through underground pipelines all over town in what is called distribution system. The distribution system consists of large water pumps at the treatment plant, overhead water, storage tanks, large pipelines, smaller pipelines, fire hydrants, bulbs, and water meters in your front yard. Dito, yung makikita yung mga malalaking, mga pipeline na ito, ayan, mga nakano yan sa ilalim ng lupa, patungo sa mga bahay na pinagsusuplayan ng water. Kaya kapag meron ka problema, meron mga dyan, mga pupuntang tagagawa, hukay nyo yung ilalim ng lupa para mapalitan yung mga pipeline na ito. Kasi minsan, nabubutas to. Kaya yan, sayang din yung tubig. Yung ito itsura niya, distribution. And ito pump, taps water. Tapos dadaan sa storage tank. Ito sa water testing nito. Dito nililinis yung tubig. And dadaan mo siya sa pump, tapos lilinis yung tubig, testing ng water kung masama pa sa kalusugan ng tao bago inumin. Tapos once na matapos siya sa monitoring dito, may store siya sa water tank. Tapos kapag dito diretso na siya sa mga bahay. Ayun. Tapos ito yung mga water pumps. Ayan. Ganun yung itsura niya. Dito. Water pumps, tapos dadaan sa testing. Yun nga, nililinis sa yung tubig. Tapos dadaan sa tank. Tapos yun. Punta sa mga bahay. And sa water. Ito yung distribution stages niya. Yung water distribution stages niya. Una, dadaan dito sa water source. Tapos water intake, coagulation, lands. Ito yan. Yan. Linisin niya, haluan niya ng mga chemicals na nakapagpalinis ng tubig. And sedimentation. Tapos dadaan sa filtration. And linisin niya. Maraming station bago malinis yun sa tubig at pwede na mainom ng tao. Tapos pagkatapos sa filtration, disinfection. Yan, dito yun na. Tapos once na matapos sa disinfection, nandito siya sa may storage. And then pwede na siyang inumin or gamitin ng customer. Yun lang. Thank you.